Hello there, so today's lesson is going to be on possibility space diagrams. Again, we're in chapter 20, pages 426 to 427. So we're going to look at a couple of examples just outlining how to do things. So drawing a possibility space diagram, an example coming through. So two pentagonal spinners A and B are labelled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 respectively. That means A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to draw a sample space diagram to represent the sum of the two spinners. So just setting it up, we've got spinner A with our numbers there and spinner B with our numbers there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to work out the total of each of the different ones. So, 1 and 6 being 7, 2 and 6 being 8, 5 and 10 being 15. So there we go. So we've got all the possible outcomes for the spinner A and spinner B totals. Now we're going to use this possibility space diagram, this sample space diagram, to answer some questions. So questions are: find the probability that the sum is 13, find the probability the sum is even, and find the probability the sum is greater than 9. Obviously you can have a think about this yourselves, so you can want to pause it now and have a look and work them out, or you can just keep playing and have a look. So the sum is 13, clearly you can see 13 is there in that diagonal, and there's 25 possible outcomes, so the probability that the sum is 13 will be 3/25. The probability the sum is even, just look for all the even numbers. Again, we've got them in diagonals, so we've got 12 out of 25, 12/25. And then the sum is greater than 9, specifically means 10 to 15, so we've got 19 out of 25, simply because there's 6 out of 25 which are smaller or equal to 9. Just running through the textbook example with you now. So the textbook examples goes through: a fair die and a fair coin are thrown. Fair meaning that it's unbiased, so it's not going towards a certain number, and a die being obviously a singular for dice. And then so what we've got is a scenario with the head being thrown, then the die on the score on the die is doubled. For tail, then the score is the number on the die. So we're just going to do a possibility space diagram for that. So we've got our numbers there, doubled there for head, same as it is for tails, and working out the probabilities. So the set of all the outcomes is the set of all the numbers that you can see there in the table: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. Clearly we've got our set notation again there with the brackets, as you can see. So it's a set of all the values, and then the probability of getting 6, well, there's two ways of getting 6 out of 12, so that is 1/6. So you should be okay with that, and now so you can go on and complete the questions from page 427. Good luck.